In this video, I'll guide you through how to add a signature in Brevo. Whether you're new to Brevo or just looking to refine your email campaigns with a personal touch, this guide will cover everything you need. Adding a signature to your emails can help personalize your communication and reinforce your brand identity. So let's dive right in and get started. First things first, you'll want to open your web browser and head over to Brevo's website at brevo.com. Once you're on the homepage, you'll need to log in to your account if you haven't already. This will take you to your main dashboard where you can access all the features Brevo has to offer. Once you're logged in, the next step is to click on the Marketing tab. This section is where you manage all your marketing campaigns and related activities. It's the hub for creating and organizing your email outreach efforts. By clicking here, you'll be able to see all the tools Brevo provides for creating effective marketing campaigns. After you're in the Marketing section, you'll want to click on Campaigns. This is where all your current and past email campaigns are stored. You should see a list of campaigns that you've been working on or have already sent out. Browse through your list to find the specific campaign you want to add your signature to. When you locate the campaign you wish to edit, look for the edit icon, which usually resembles a pencil or similar symbol. Clicking this will allow you to make changes to the campaign, including adding that all-important signature. Once you've entered the editing mode, the next thing to do is click on Start Designing. This will open up the design interface where you can customize the content and appearance of your email. This is where the magic happens, so take your time familiarizing yourself with the tools available. Now you'll need to select a template for your email. Brevo offers a variety of templates to choose from, each designed to cater to different styles and purposes. Browse through the options and select the one that best fits your brand and campaign goals. After choosing a template, click Use Template to start customizing it. With your template ready, it's time to get hands-on by dragging an image block into your email layout. The image block is where your signature will be placed, so position it wherever you think it'll look best, typically at the bottom of the email for a standard signature format. Finally, the last step is to upload your signature image. This image could be a scanned version of your handwritten signature or a digital version designed in an application like Photoshop. Make sure the image is clear and appropriately sized to fit within the email layout. Once uploaded, adjust the image block if necessary to ensure it looks just right. And that's it. You've successfully added a signature to your Brevo campaign. Adding a signature is a simple yet effective way to personalize your emails and leave a lasting impression on your recipients. It subtly reinforces your brand and adds a touch of professionalism to your communication. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials like this. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Happy emailing and see you in the next video.